What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video we are going to play Flicker with my friend Hydra Slave. So guys, let's start. So guys, I'll give you some links in the description below. Go ahead and subscribe, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So yeah guys, let's start.
Bro, what are these people doing there? It's
I
like
don't know, jump in.
taking up a private space. Get out of here.
Lol.
Okay. Wait, what? You can move inside?
Huh?
No, I just saw you move. Like I saw your
No,
character.
no, 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 no. That is like when we are entering the thingy, I think. And now we can't
Oh.
move.
Yeah, now I don't see anyone.
Now, if you press execute, I'll also probably be able to see you.
Eh, no, don't exit. It's starting. See.
I know. There is a lot of time. So.
Hmm.
Okay. 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10.
Shut up. Crack some jokes. My God, so boring for the viewers. Just seeing you count. 10, 9.
Lol for the kids out there.
Yeah.
Lol. Whatever, it started anyways. Crack some jokes, it seems. Okay, tomorrow I'll find a list of jokes. Oh my god, how much
Bruh.
time?
Bro, 2000 ping already. 5000,
2000? No.
3000,
Let me see my ping.
2000, 1000. It's going down. Yeah,
Mine
it's
is
going
like
down.
100 and.
1900,
Array,
2000.
array, array.
Back to 1000. Now 500, 300, 200. Okay, now it's good. It's 100 now.
Oh no, stop.
Bruh.
Survivor. Obviously.
Abba,
You're
survivor.
you're the part of the
That's
Oh,
not
I
survivor.
am a go. Yes, boy. Who
So
are you?
all of the survivors are good.
I
So there
know.
are, see,
No,
the
I mean
people on
like
the
good.
bad
Bro,
side.
wait, listen. I know. By good, I meant I have a good avatar.
Oh, like that.
What are you? Who are you?
I am Jackson. Who are
Hey,
you?
I'm
Ben.
Ben.
You're Ben. I knew it.
Jackson and Ben chilling.
I have really bad avatar. It's too gold and stuff. Like,
Still, gold digger.
hey.
Gold digger.
Do you even know what that means?
Yes.
What?
I'm not gonna tell now, but I actually know.
Digging for gold.
No, lol. Where is that girl who's leaking nose? See, leaky nose girl. Oh god, flick, flick.
Wait, flick, flick. Okay. Let's see who is the closest to each other. Okay, no, that doesn't matter.
Yeah, I think it.
Wait, Brahma, close this
Wait,
thing.
I'm going to the fire. Nice. Can see not everyone, but sure. What? What? What do you say? What? Some what? What language is that?
Sospecho de Marie. What?
Hello. Wait, someone's killing anybody? It's gone silent.
Wait, let me just put some noise because it's better with noise and flicker.
Hello.
Oh, I love the music.
I know.
I remember this, bro. I used to play Flickr so much.
Power
Used
restored.
to.
Let's see whose face is in the bathroom.
It's not always bathroom. Yeah,
What?
see?
I know it's not on the bath. Hung on the wall. I don't see any rope.
Wait. They would see that? He was stabbed while on the wall. So, like, he was pinned
Oh.
with knives.
Okay. Discuss who may be evil.
Okay, so I was thinking, nobody is chatting at all. Hello.
Eva is talking random language. See,
Wait, let me turn off my performance stats. It's blocking the chat a little.
who?
What do you think? At this point,
Anyone?
we should vote randomly
Wait. I gave. Shoot! Oh, I dropped a note. Nice.
as there are many people.
Daniel. Yeah, Daniel.
Bro, it's okay. It's not about who is going far. Bro, we have to vote randomly because see, there are many people. We can't tell who it is.
The player who is the most voted will be removed.
Fine, then we'll just vote Daniel.
Yeah, I mean I'm voting.
Yeah, fine, fine.
Wait. Oh,
Daniel, right?
yeah,
Yeah,
I vote
Daniel.
Daniel. Oh god, oh god, oh god,
Bro,
oh
what
god,
is
oh god, oh
wrong
god.
with this girl, Eva?
I know she's talking
Obviously,
random
Bo
language.
Fuera El Asesino Uguay.
Bro, S Daniel, lol. Two people in
What?
S
Bro,
Daniel.
Murray had the most votes. We couldn't find Murray's journal.
Who? It.
Time passes by.
Oh, 10,000 hours have been done. Time passed by.
I know the person who was sus is I think it's Anna, right? Anna wrote that.
Oh,
Anna was
yeah.
the one who thought,
Daniel, right? I think.
yeah.
I think
So now I will vote Anna next.
it is Anna. What
No,
now?
bro, don't tell like that. Rephrase your sentences. Tell
Maybe.
differently. Don't tell it is Anna. Huh? See, now that's better.
Who said no, Daniel?
Crystal, yeah, whatever.
Christy.
Crystal.
Something, bro. Oh, I died. Bro, when I died, it just felt like I jumped up.
It's yeah, you're a ghost.
I know. No, when like the person killed me, flick, you can't find my journal. I'm right in front of you. Now I'm right in front of you. Ben died from the what? Oh, he's under the bed. What crap? Stuffed under the bed. Hey, let me just see if I can find my body. Yup, I can.
Find your journal. Bro, you should write a journal for who's good and who's bad. Who do you think is sus and all? At this point, I'm thinking it's Christy and or Eva. One of these three. They're randomly telling it's Daniel, which means they're either in a call or they're real life friends or they know each other somehow. So that's how they're sus for me.
Or else some. Wait, what is that person? Bro,
IG.
there are 3 types of people now.
It's Daniel.
Survivor, murderer, and what is the other one?
Huh?
One is survivor, murderer, and what is the other one?
See, on the bad side there are different roles like dark psychic, assassin. Assassin can actually kill the murderer by mistake.
Oh.
And assassin I think only has one kill. I think.
Oh, okay. And then what is on the good side? Survivor and?
Survivor, psychic, medic.
Oh yeah,
and
psychic.
Other people.
Wait, psychic can medic can like bring people to life.
No, psychic can't. Psychic can only read.
I told medic. I know.
Medic can. Yes,
can
medic
read
can.
every round they can like
read who
is
unknown. Daniel's gone.
Daniel, you couldn't find Daniel's journal. Good side as one. Yup.
Yes.
Yup.
That means they were on a call. The 3 of them were in a call and knew what was happening. Whatever.
I'm dead there.
Hi, dead Ben.
Oh, you're psychic.
Yeah.
Detective, medic. Oh, medic.
Oh, so that's how she found out.
Yeah.
She was a detective.
And you were a psychic. You should have, bro. Wait, what do you mean? You should have like.
See, when you're a psychic, you can only check if people are good or bad. I checked you first, just to check, and you were safe.
I know. So let's go. Come.
Yeah, come in.
See, we can see people walk.
Oh, yeah. I just saw that.
One guy is exiting. What? Join. Bruh. Wait, I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna come back. Come, guys, come.
Nobody's joining.
I joined. Will it start? No. No. Dude, this is gonna take such a long time.
Joining.
Um,
Okay, there finally.
Wait, yeah, now.
Finally.
Wait, I'm checking Discord. Okay, nice. No one pinged me. Did anyone ping me? Okay, now. Bruh. Blah 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 blah.
Waiting for players to Roblox. People loaded already.
Dude, my god.
Bro, should I turn on performances because I wanna see my ping?
Yeah, okay. Don't shout also. Bro, why does Flickr have so much waiting time? Wow, that looks creepy. Kind of. Yes.
That's where we're going. This is the farmhouse map, I think.
Oh. So we can't choose. We can't choose the map.
I don't know. I think we can. Before when I used to play, we were able to select map and our gender.
Oh, I think they changed.
I am survivor, part of the
medic.
good team.
I'm medic.
Okay. Just keep on spam saving me. Okay.
No thanks.
I'm Rosalina. I am Rosalina.
Okay, we both
You're
are
Jojo.
girls. We know I'm Annie.
You're Annie. Okay.
You still have that yellow. No, wait. Do you have yellow hair?
Yeah. That's yellow hair.
No, like before. When you had Jackson. Oh my God! Police officer is here. NYPD. Oh my God.
Do you even know what NVPD stands for? NYPD stands for?
NVPD. No.
It's NYPD.
NVPD.
It's NY.
Wait, behavior. You can
And it's
self-heal
for
once.
New York Police Department.
1 second. Wait. You can self-heal once. Eliminate evil team. Heal up. You have one self-heal left. Heal a player each night. Okay.
Heal me tonight. Heal me.
What will happen if I heal you?
Then if I die, if someone kills me, I'll come back to life.
I'll heal you, then I'll start healing other people.
No, spam heal me.
No, thanks. Shut up, I healed you.
Yeah.
So if someone kills me now, I'm done.
Yeah, you're done.
I should have self-heal.
But I think a selfie means that you can do like yourself.
I know, but then I didn't do self-heal because I healed you. See how good I am?
Oh, okay.
Flick.
Flick.
Hello. Flick.
Okay,
stop.
Okay, fine.
That's so irritating.
I get stuck under the fridge. See, I'm stuck under the above the fridge, whatever.
Oh my God! I see their face.
Or hung on the wall. Of course they were.
Bro, there is no body.
I know.
My God.
Sheesh, lol.
So cruel.
Excuse me.
Maybe evil.
I have corona.
Run. Wait, I'll write something in my journal. I am a medic.
No, don't reveal! Don't! You shouldn't be revealing your roles.
No, I will. I'm writing that in my journal.
Oh, okay. Same here.
I think it
And
is
yeah.
Jojo. I think it is. Yeah. Journal was saved. What did she say? What did Christy say? Okay. Okay. So who? Who? I think it's Jojo, dude.
Wait, no, you can't just suspect him like that.
Scarletty, Christy.
I'm doing random.
I'm picking Jojo.
I did random. I closed my eyes and just randomly clicked on one of the pics. Bro, he's sussing you. He just sussed you right away. He suspected you right away.
You Jojo. I'm sussing him.
Bah, don't do that,
We
right?
couldn't find. Oh, you know.
Oh, he got voted out.
Is he bad?
We don't know. See, that's what they do. They don't reveal it. But some people write a journal and reveal their role.
Okay, yeah. I wrote a journal. So I told I am a medic. I think it is Jojo.
Jojo's gone, Ray.
I think
Jojo got voted out.
then I think it is Benton. Benton.
You can't just randomly, bro, suspect them.
Okay, wait. Then
You
I'll
have to
write.
do it based on.
I
And
think it
yeah,
is-
no. I'm thinking it's Scarlet. I think it's Scarlet, bro.
I'm gonna heal myself.
But I can't tell it because if I tell it, then I lose my trust.
I told I am medic. I think it. Bro, someone tried to kill me.
How?
Bro, I healed myself right in time. I have 0 self heals left.
Okay.
Someone tried to kill me, I'm sure. And
That means now they know that you're a medic.
yeah, not they, only one.
Now they know that you're a medic. Whatever.
The murderer knows I'm the medic.
Whatever.
Died from the. Wow, what? They shoved inside. Oh my. What the?
That's cool.
Okay.
I wonder how the murderer did that. He just like shove them,
Bro,
shove their head inside
he
the
wrote
jar.
all random stuff. Oh my god. Well, is there even like. Oh, what? Is there some. There's no body.
That's cool though.
Yeah, no. Right? What?
So I'm thinking Christy or Scarlet. Benton has been completely silent so that he doesn't lose his trust, or Benton could be completely silent so that he doesn't reveal his role by mistake.
I know. I think it's Benton.
I'm thinking it's one of these three, of course, Benton, Christy, or Scarlet. But Scarlet is running away from the conversation, which is sus. So I'm voting Scarlet. You also vote Scarlet.
I think it is.
Please don't vote Benton, please.
And I told.
Yeah, thanks.
Where is Scarlet? You. What do you meant? What do you mean?
Wait, Scarlet's gone.
Yeah, it is Benton.
No, it's either Christy or Benton at this point. Because both of us are safe, only 2 other people we have to sus. So I'm thinking Christy because Scarlet had already told she was sus.
I know, but still I'm
thinking. Bro, Scarlet's smart.
Oh, you know. Christy are the most votes.
Next we have to vote Benton. I love
what?
Bro, what? Oh my god. Whatever.
Okay.
I knew it. I knew it. Yes! Bro, Scarlet was a murderer. Scarlet was either a murderer or an assassin. And even... where's Scarlet? Oh no, Scarlet was what? Christy was murderer. And who did we get? Wait, so there was only murderer. There was no... Bro, there were more good people than bad people. Oh, okay.
There's only one murderer.
Yeah, so only one bad person was there. Everyone else was good.
Okay, no, stop. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Okay, bye guys.